Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Merchant Center and confirming your business info. This saves time later. Once done, verify and claim your website so Google accepts your feed. Make sure you have GTIN, MPN, and clear images prepared. These reduce disapprovals. Next, choose a feed method, manual, scheduled fetch, or content API, and create a primary feed. I explain why. Verified site plus correct ID improves trust and indexing, so your products appear faster. Now build the feed with required attributes and optional fields that boost performance. You should use TXT or XML for large catalogs. Google Sheets is okay for small inventories. Once the file is ready, upload or schedule a fetch and set the correct time zone and frequency. Make sure to map ID, title, price, availability, link, and image link accurately. Incorrect mapping triggers errors. After upload, check the Diagnostics tab and fix attribute errors so your items pass review and go live. Finish by configuring shipping, tax, and returns so checkout matches listings. This prevents disapprovals. Then monitor item status and address any policy flags or missing attributes immediately. If products are disapproved, fix the root cause, then request review, make incremental fixes, and re-upload. One key troubleshooting tip: if items aren't appearing, compare feed price and availability with your live site. Mismatches are the leading cause of rejections. Finally, set automated uploads or use the Content API to keep data current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.